Hey dolls, so today's video is going to be a cooking video with me and my mom. She's about to come over like any minute now. Make yourself comfortable, grab a wine, grab some coffee. You dolls can be spending the weekend with me and my mom. I can't wait for her to come over. We're going to be making food in this kitchen. I'm sitting on my counter, my favorite spot. So make yourself comfortable, grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's get this video started. Let's go dolls.
That is my dream. I just wanna be. What you make it, always try to give.
So my mom is here. We are going to be making, well, I'm going to let her tell you, but we're going to be making some rice and stew, which is a popular dish with my mom. And we have no specific way that we cook. Like, we just throw it together. Like, I don't know if you're like one of those people. My mom doesn't do recipe books. My mom's a great cook. We just throw, and that's the same way I am. We just throw things together. Like, we throw down. Like, I don't believe in like having a book up there trying to read step by step. Now, I do watch YouTube videos and TikToks with recipes, but I'm not a recipe book person. I'm not by the book. Like, I don't even like measuring stuff. So that's how my mom is. I learned from her. But we make some really, really good food. So she's going to be here any minute now, and I'm going to be handing over the camera to my mom once she gets in. So my mom is in the kitchen. Say hi to YouTube. Hi. And we're going to be cooking today, right? Yes. What are you going to be making? Well, you're going to be teaching me how to make, right? Yeah. What are you going to
teach you how to make turkey stew.
Oh, I like how you're wearing pink.
I'm a pinky girl.
Okay, so we're going to get started. Do you have all the recipe ready?
Oh, yeah, I do.
Okay, shall I put... Oh, you need to give them the recipe to put down below.
Yes.
Okay, let's get started. It's a beautiful day outside. Don't you like it in here?
I do.
Should we do more cooking videos?
Oh, yeah.
Huh? What do you say?
Many ideas.
What do you have next for them?
Jollof rice.
Jollof rice! So we are ready. You got, what pots are we going to be using today?
This one.
That's my glam pot. We're going to still use one of the Paris pots, but let's get started. And I'm going to... Wait, you brought some meat with you, right? What is the meat?
Turkey meat.
Let's get started. So here, my mom is opening... What is this, mommy?
Smoked turkey.
So we're going to be using smoked turkey. Why is it like... Okay, so they have other types of turkey.
This is... Yeah, there are other ones. Fresh ones. Smoked one. These are smoked turkey drummers.
Turkey drummers? Oh, I thought they were just like... Well, we'll see when you open it up.
It's a whole turkey.
Okay. I thought it's like pieces of turkey.
Yeah, they cut it into pieces.
Into pieces. Okay. This should be fun. Oh, there's the raw turkey. Whoa. So here is those. It's like raw. Raw turkey. Oh, I like how your nails match your outfit and then match the pink. Show them your nails. Pink nails. So we are rinsing off. Well, my mum is. So we're going to put in this pot here. This is another Paris Hilton's pots. I get a lot of questions. Do these pots last? I have had this one, look at it, dolls, for over a year. January 2023. Look at it. And I throw it in the dishwasher every day. This one goes in a lot. Look at the gold. It's still gold. She's really got a good collection. Really good collection. Look at that. Turn it over so they can see. Look at the back of it. It's like, you can see I use it a lot. Yeah. So yeah, so we're going to throw those in. So we are putting in the meat. And if you don't like looking at raw stuff, click off. Because I know some people get squirmish about raw meat and stuff.
Oh, really?
Yeah, some people don't like looking at raw things. Oh. We're not those type of people, are we?
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure you have to be like a vegan or something to not like, yeah. But there's some people like, I don't like cutting, you know that, right? I don't like cutting raw stuff. I don't like cutting raw chicken. Yeah. What is that?
Oh, it's ice.
Oh. So yeah, she's preparing the turkey. Do we need 2 pots?
No, I think so.
Yeah, we do. Let me get the second one out. So we need 2 because 1 can never be enough. Yeah. My mum's asking me if I use the other one in the back because she wants to use that big one in the back. And I was like, that's my show pot. Like, I love those on the stove. I don't like to touch those. I'm about to buy some new pots from her so I can use those instead. Like, that's a show pot. I don't like to touch that one. I only cook with that one if there's an emergency. Yeah. But as you can see, they last. Look at this one. I cook with this one. And you can see how... Oh, I need to put soap there. Let me go and get soap for you. So my mum is doing the hardest part, which is the onions. And this is why I don't mess with onions. Why you don't like this part? Your eyes? Oh, sorry. You need help? I'm the camera woman. Next time. Oh my God. Don't know how you like onions. They taste good, but it's getting over this. Maybe we need to get an onion cutter.
I'm okay. I'm old school.
I'm old school. I don't know how you do garlic.
Yeah.
You do. My mum does it all old school, like cutting stuff. Oh, it's getting in my eyes too.
Yeah.
Oh my God, look at your eyes.
Cheers.
Tears of horror. But my mum can't eat stuff without onions, right? You love, look at her eyes. They look good against your pink nails. Like the color contrast of pink and purple. You're a champ. And then what is this? Tomato paste?
This is diced tomatoes.
Diced tomatoes. So why do you use the two? Oh, I see.
This is paste.
Paste, okay, to make it,
yeah,
okay.
Make it more colorful.
Colorful. As we are getting on, I have packages, by the way, dolls. A lot of packages. That means a whole video is coming up. Look at these two. Because they're so bad, right, Mummy? They're caged up. Look at them. That's why hair is like peaceful, because they're in the cage. And we have a guest here. Look,
Kenny.
My brother's dog, Kenny. Kenny. Kengo. Dolls, so my mom's going to be the first person to use this. Look, the Paris Hilton. I love it. Open it. It's so pretty. Now my mum wants it. Hey, get out the kitchen, Kengo. No dogs in the kitchen. It's a stern rule. Love. Okay, so you're going to be, you're first using it. I don't think I've ever used it before. It's perfect. You're like, that's good. It's such a pretty opener that you don't even want to use it, right? And then it's got the can opener with the love heart. I love her stuff. They're just so pretty. So pretty. Yeah, and I'm going to be giving my mum these knives. These are my knife sets. I'm giving them over. My mum is like obsessed. She's happy to take them from me. They're just so gorgeous. And it's magnetic. Show them. The way you're doing that, like just extra. They're so gorgeous. But yeah, let's begin. So you're just going to open it?
Yeah.
Okay. It looks so pretty. It's like almost like you don't want to use it.
For display.
Yeah. So we have the, what is that? Tomato.
Yeah.
It's already, the turkey already smells good. It's like boiling up. So we're going to put that inside. We're going to be putting that inside. But yeah, look. Tomato. We've got tomato. We've got the onions. Just basic, right? We're not doing too much. So it's boiling. It smells really good, doesn't it?
It does.
Yeah.
Because of the smoke.
It's smoked, yeah. It smells. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell them. This is. Oh no, you did tell them. It's smoked turkey.
We may not use the stock because it may be too
Salty, yeah. So we're gonna.
we can drain the sauce.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So.
And that's what I usually do.
Okay. Let's go. So my mom is adding the paste inside. The ASMR. You know what ASMR is, right?
I do.
Oh, you know it now? Yeah, the sound, yes. And then olive oil. It's done. Needs to buy a new one. And then seasoning, so she's going to season it. It's like broken. I have to like smash it. There we go. So just doing some seasoning.
Right.
So you're all seasoned? Ready to go. It's going to come out so well.
And then put the onions, everything
Yeah.
all together.
Are we going to be using rice for this? Yeah, I think we're going to be using rice.
Preferably rice.
Which rice do you like? And dolls, I want you to comment. So before I ask your one, which rice, dolls, do you think is better? Jasmine rice or basmati rice? Let's do a vote in the comment section. Which one's your favourite, Mummy?
Basmati.
Why?
Because I can cook it without...
It's sticking? So you think jasmine is sticky?
I find it difficult to...
My one is really fluffy and nice.
I'm
So-
yet to know how to
How to do it?
Yeah.
Oh, Dolls, if you're Jasmine, if you know how to make jasmine rice really good, comment below and give my mom some tips so she can enjoy jasmine rice. Yeah, comment how you make it not stick together, because my mom says all of hers come out bad, but I like the smell of it. It has this weird...
I'm going to transfer the meat into the stew, into the sauce.
Okay. So we're almost done, right? We have to start. Do I need to like work on the rice now? Like boiled?
Yeah, you can start. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so transferring the meat. Ooh. It's a lot.
Yeah, I think I need some
It's
water.
so delicious. Look, one fell out, one escaped. You need more water?
Yeah, I think
Okay.
I will. Let me do the transfer first.
Okay, the way you say it, let me do the transfer. Like a bank transfer. Even the stock might like be good to make like another thing with. Or is it too salty? Yeah.
Salty. I'm
Yeah.
going to take a little bit of it
Yeah.
and put here instead of water.
Yeah.
All right, let me...
Okay, so we're gonna start working on the rice now.
Rice, yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna bring out, so the battle, jasmine, or we doing, which one are we doing? Jasmine, or we doing,
Let's, I have confidence doing it.
confidence, okay, basmati it is. Basmati it is, yes. 1 spoon,
Let's do 3.
3 spoons, okay. You're eating some because you're eating here today,
Yeah,
so
I'll
yeah, yeah. 3 spoons. There we go. Basmati. Show them the bag. Basmati 1. Basmati rice. Authentic. You're royal. Yeah. So my mum says she rinses her rice. There's always a battle. Some people don't rinse. I didn't know. And they say like Japanese have a certain way to make it soft, and it's all in the rinsing and how they make it. I have to read online, but I was like on Reddit reading about how every different cultures prepare rice differently. It amazes me.
Yeah, no, there are various ways.
Various ways, yeah.
I like rinsing it out so that, trying to rinse out starch.
Starch, yeah.
Yeah, that's
Some cultures love leaving the starch. Like I think Italians love leaving starch in spaghetti. Yeah, because it helps it. I don't know, but they have rules about it. Oh, speaking of, I made spaghetti for the first time. I don't know if I told you about breaking the noodles. That's the real Italian way. You let it fall inside the pot. Like you let it just like sink in. Yeah. You know that? I did it. I trusted it. I was like, let's just do this. And if it works, it works. And the spaghetti is thick and it's big and it's long. They said that's why they do it. So yeah, I didn't know you know about the not breaking pasta. You're not meant to break it. Oh, you know about it even in London? You don't break pasta.
I have my style.
You have your style? And it makes sense because like when you break it, it's short. And it doesn't, because how Italians like it, they like it to curl up on the fork. So they like it to like, when you spin it on the fork, it comes out and it tastes so good. It's like really thick. To me, it's better when you don't break it. That's their culture, it's their food, they know. So I do it the Italian way now. We're making Italian pasta the Italian way. Maybe next time you come, we could do pasta. We may try it. Dolls, do you have any suggestions what we should make? Let us know in the comment section. We're going to be doing like a weekly cook with me. Fun in the kitchen, that's the kind of stuff you like, right? So have comments below and let us know what you want us to make next and we'll think about it. So
I don't want to use this side to make it. This is faster.
Oh, so it's cooked. So that's the raw, you got the raw ones. Well, they're not raw, but they're not the ones with the stew. Show them the stew.
That's the stew.
Ooh, look at that. So dolls, when my mom, like when we're like cooking, my mom always keeps like a raw, she keeps like a raw piece for the dogs. Not raw, but like without the salt in it. Yeah, without seasoning, without any spices. So there you go, look, my mom's so cute. Look, show them. She's bringing it out. Look, these are for the dogs. For the dogs. So it has no seasoning, no tomato. It's just like plain. Yeah, so they already know, like they're excited. We got some meaty for you. So she's washing it out for them. So it's like any of like, you're just washing up salt, yeah. Any little salt that's left over.
Yeah.
She's just making it clean for them, you know? They're gonna have some turkey.
Yeah.
Taste test time. They always have to get something like midway as we're cooking. It's almost like a reward for just like being patient as we're trying to cook. I don't know why, but they always get something, and it's always like little meat pieces. They're just so cute. Someone is not following our no dogs in the kitchen policy because he's waiting for what you're shredding. Can go. No dogs in the kitchen. Look at this. Look at this, dolls. Look, look.
Your turn. Your turn, baby. Good.
They're so cute.
And you're still cooking, you know, because it's on the stove.
So we are done. Look at that. It looks good. It looks so good. That stew looks good and the rice. We are so like ready to eat. It came out well. Someone is excited with their with what they made. It came out well. You ready to eat?
Oh yeah.
Ready to chow down? It's good. Thumbs up.
On this plate.
Huh? Yeah. Yum. Look at that stew that's just like running, dripping down. Looks good. Show them a close up.
Oh,
Looks good.
yeah.
Looks really good. Yum. Rice and stew.
Rice and stew.
Turkey, smoked turkey rice and stew. It looks really, really good. Look at that, dolls. Oh my God. Yum. Yum. So we're gonna eat. Thank you so much for watching. Say thanks. Thank you. Dolls, look at this. Normally I don't film when we're eating, but you have to see this. Look at all 3 dogs watching us eat. I'm zooming in. They're all turning away because they know I'm filming. Kangaroo. They're all watching us eat. Jealous. So my mum just left and we are done, and I've cleaned up my kitchen back to normal. I enjoy it. I love every moment I get to spend with my mum. Like, I just love it, and cooking is one of them. So as I said, what type of meals would you dolls want to see us try next? And I probably will get behind the camera and do the main cooking because I'm like filming and trying to like... Sorry, the camera cut off. I was trying to say, I'm like always busy filming and behind the scenes as my mum was cooking. So what type of stuff would you want to see us do, or me do, like a challenge? And I know 4th of July is coming up. Like, maybe I was thinking of doing something for 4th of July. But let me know what you want to see us do next, and we'll definitely love to do like our little cooking show. So, secret word. So the secret word of today's video is going to be the chef hat. And because it's me and my mum in the kitchen, put the little emoji where the chef hat, and then also the emoji that it has the 2 dancers, the 2 girl dancers. You're going to see it on the screen. I'm going to have it on the screen. So like, put that in the comment section down below. And if you're new to my channel, at the end of every video, I do like what we call our secret emoji, our secret word, because it helps me know who's been watching to the end of the video. So comment that in the comment section, and also let me know if you enjoyed today's video. Did you like what me and my mum made? Do you have any answers about the recipe? Let me know in the comment section down below. I was meant to say, do you have any questions about the recipe? I said answers. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Smooth. It always comes out so weird to me. Smooches. I love you dolls so much, and I will see you dolls in my next video. Smooches. Bye. Bye dolls.